Lastly, how to create and update business listings, including claiming a business listing. Now I'm going to show you how you can create and update a business listing and claim a business listing. You just need to open your dashboard and click on this Business Directory button to add a business listing. Now click on the Add My Business button. On the next page, you need to enter the title of your business, just like I'm doing here, and then enter your business email here. After that, select the category from the available options, and then enter a business phone number here. You can add a second number here if you want also. Also add a business profile if you want. In the next section, enter the location of your business. By the way, you can also select the location from the map. In the next section, write a description about your business. I'm just adding a random description in order to show you how it works. Here you can add the image of your business by selecting the Choose Image button, and then select the image of your business. After doing all these steps, you just need to click on the Add My Business button to create a business listing successfully. So the business is now successfully listed. If you want to make any changes to the listing or want to update the listing, you just need to click on these three dots and then click on this Edit button. Here you can make any changes to your business listing. After making changes, be sure to click on the Update My Business button to make successful changes. So, that's all. I hope you like this video.